the aggressive account, let's talk about that one first. We made $249 after commissions, probably like 241, but overall a 9.83% gain, which is pretty good. I was risking about like 5%, 4 or 5, I don't know, but with the 2.1 AR, which is pretty good. It's kind of my range where I want to be at. I want to be at least 2.5 rage trade. Um, and then for the 100K account, I made $2,116, which comes out to 1.97% of the account, overall account. So it's pretty good. So in total, with this one and this one, a little like 11, we'll say, and that's pretty good. And that was the third trade that we were waiting on yesterday. And let's look at how it played out, see if my analysis was correct. So if I go here, this is trade number 3, as I was saying yesterday. This video is just kind of to go over the results. Again, going for that sell side. Okay, quick pause on the video because I recognized this once I was done. I fixed the formula and I was supposed to subtract or add the two profit and commission, and whatever that equals to is divided by whatever the previous balance was, meaning I would get the percentage gain in this case from whatever it was from 1,779, and that's I just pulled it down. Same thing for here as well. Take the profit divided by the previous balance, which was the initial balance you took before winning or losing the trade. In this case, I won it, and it comes out to be 2.24. So just a quick fix. Liquidity, looking for reasons to sell. I mean, if you want a very simple understanding of the market structure, so we got a high, a low, and then the first high that it makes, and then anything between this is kind of like noise until it breaks, which is right here. So once it breaks, that doesn't necessarily mean bullish, but it does mean there's a potential bullish order flow, right? And that's what it does. It liquidates a low, which is this low here, and you could even say this one, and then, or just in other words, it goes to the extreme of the overall leg that broke the high, which would be this leg right here, from this low to this high. And that would be the leg going to the lower end of the leg, the extreme of it, and then just liquidating whatever liquidity is resting above this high. And also knowing that what we were saying yesterday is that we're at the freaking institutional level of institutional level of 0.6 thousand, 1.06 thousand, and looking for the sell side liquidity that's resting down below here, which is the daily low. Boom, and that's basically it. So we didn't even get any sweep of the Asian highs here, which I was expecting, but I got in right on time. And again, this would be my OB that I'm playing off of after obviously breaking out now the leg. So as you can see, it broke above and then just to liquidate and then just to liquidate the high to then make the real move, meaning breaking down below this low. And this is when you can consider looking at this OB or even this one up here, anything up here. So I just go by legs. I don't go by OBs. So I'm just gonna say legs now. So now this would be the leg, the new leg, since it broke, right? Making an order flow switch. So after you get the leg, you can either play the 50% of it or anything above within the 50% of it. So, and then wait for your entry criteria once it hits your supply zone, and then whatever your entry criteria is, and then just to sell in this case. And this was good enough for me. This was a solid setup. And again, we were bearish. It hit the institutional level once, try to push down, it couldn't, it just liquidated it again, came to liquidate the high, broke again. That's why I kind of took this as aggressive entry, because it already had tried to go for the sell side liquidity one time. And again, overall bearish, so looking for more reasons to to sell than to look for some sort of buying long reversal, right? So that was it for today. I mean, quick 2.181R. So this will probably be it for the week. I don't think I'm gonna be seeing anything more, and I don't think there's like significant news that'll be going on tomorrow. There's this one, the PMI, and that's it actually. Just PMI, and then just these little ones right here. Oh, these are just Forex Live updates, but PMI. I mean, I don't expect PMI to like make it super volatile. Really, I think this is it for the week. So overall, well, we ended at actually on the next video I'll put it because I don't want to edit this right now. But next video I'm gonna have a end of the week results, right, and then end of the month as well. So that'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next.